Ghana has vastly expanded its medical drone delivery network in the country since its inception. The medical drone delivery hub has been a game changer in Ghana's healthcare delivery system. The drone service has been instrumental in delivering medical supplies, including vaccines, blood and antivenom, within minutes to health facilities within Ghana which are difficult to access by road. The country now boasts 6 distribution centers in Omenako, Impanya, Vofsi, Sefirioso, Ketekrachi and Anum, making it the largest area logistics delivery network in the world. Watch this video to the end as we explore the expansion drive of the drone delivery service in Ghana and how it's impacting positively on the country's healthcare and logistical sector. But before we dive in, kindly like the video, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and select all to receive notifications for new videos of breathtaking and in-depth content. Let's dive in now. The Ghana Medical Drone Delivery Service was launched 4 years ago to deliver medical supplies within designated areas in Ghana with the use of drones and a 24-hour daily operation. The service has several drones at its distribution center and has completed over 370,000 deliveries of medical products to more than 2,700 health facilities throughout the country, positively impacting the lives of over 20 million people. The Ghana Medical Drone Delivery Service, through its delivery hub, Zipline, has been transporting blood, vaccines, and crucial medications to health facilities across the country. The impact of these expedited deliveries has been profound, as infants previously at risk of dying from vaccine-preventable infections now thrive, and mothers experiencing life-threatening complications during childbirth receive immediate medical attention without being referred to other facilities due to a lack of medical supplies. The introduction of drones in the delivery of critical medicine, vaccines and blood products to people in various communities became more crucial in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. During the period, COVID-19 samples for testing and highly sensitive vaccines were transported via drones to expedite vaccine inoculation and disease management. The result marked Ghana as one of the countries with the least vaccine expiry and wastage due to the drone's fast delivery, particularly to remote areas of Ghana. The Ghana Medical Drone Delivery Service employs more than 200 Ghanaians, with more being employed with its expansion. Ghana's achievement in establishing the world's largest drone delivery network is a significant milestone in the country's efforts to leverage innovative technology to improve the lives of its citizens. The success of Ghana's drone delivery service has not gone unnoticed on global stage and has been widely praised for its efficiency and effectiveness. In terms of diversification, Ghana is also looking beyond the healthcare delivery supply chain to deploy delivery drones. There have been some pilot sessions that have had drones deliver emergency relief items in situations of floods and disease outbreaks, as this is the next focus to utilize the drone service in other viable industries. Other avenues, including agriculture, are currently being explored to enhance national productivity. Keep watching this channel for more updates on Ghana's medical drone delivery service and its related benefits to the country's growing economy. If you like the content like this, then kindly like this video, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and select all to receive notifications for new videos. And please check out this next video on other mega projects going on in Ghana and Africa. Thanks, and let's get on to this video next. Cheers.